Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best dashboard cleaner you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best dashboard cleaner in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Carfiident Super Dashboard Cleaner. Carfiident Super Cleaner is a relatively new product on the market, having only been on the market for a few years. However, throughout that period, it has earned a well-deserved reputation as the best car interior cleaner on the market. Upholstery, fabric, canvas, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, metals, wood trim, and other interior automobile surfaces can all be cleaned with this product. Carfiident Super Cleaner is unrivaled as a dashboard cleaner. It won't leave any residue on your dash, and it won't make your car look overly shiny. We also like that it doesn't include any harsh chemicals that could harm your automobile. Except for glass and fragile instrument panel screens, this multi-surface solution works on every interior or exterior surface. This implies that this one product can clean upholstery, fabric, canvas, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, bird feces, grease, tree sap, metals, wood trim, and much more. This is the market's most versatile multi-purpose cleanser. Carfiident's Premium Series Super Cleaner was created to replace your cabinet's various cleaner bottles. This efficient solution has a proprietary cleaning method that penetrates the surface to loosen and lift all embedded dirt, oil, and grime, allowing it to be easily removed with a microfiber towel. Our second best dashboard cleaner is Carfiident Dashboard Cleaner. This Carfiident product is one of the most popular interior car cleaners on the market, and its low price and versatility are key factors in its success. It safely cleans and protects dashboards, leather, vinyl, cloth, carpet, plastic, wood trim, chrome, rubber, and other interior automobile surfaces. You won't have to waste time or money shopping for a variety of other items because this one can be used on virtually anything. It includes a formula that helps to prevent UV damage, so it cleans and protects your interior automobile surfaces at the same time. It also wipes clean easily and doesn't leave any greasy or oily residue behind. Total Inside is a single product that cleans and protects practically every interior surface in your automobile. Everyone wants a clean interior, but not everyone has the time to learn how to properly clean all of the different materials. There are dozens of various materials in a typical car interior, including glass, dashboards, electronics, cup holders, wood dashboard trim, leather, and carpet. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Shine Armor Dashboard Cleaner. Shine Armor Car Interior Cleaner is a very new product, having only been on the market for roughly 9 months. It is one of the more expensive products when compared to other dashboard cleaners, but it is quite effective and gives UV protection to your car's interior surfaces. It can be used on practically all of your car's hard interior surfaces, as well as vinyl and leather upholstery. One thing to keep in mind is that it is frequently touted as being acceptable for use on cloth, but this is not the case, according to the bottle's instructions. While we haven't tried it on fabric upholstery, it's a good idea to test it on a small patch of cloth out of sight before spraying it all over your car seats. Our all-purpose interior cleaner solvent, formulated with cutting-edge nanotechnology, effectively cleans and washes away dirt, grime, and dust from all interior car surfaces, including leather, trim, pleather, rug, headliner, rubber, carpet, vinyl, flooring, canvas, cloth, plastic, upholstery, fabric seats, and stains, super fast and better than a matte carpet shampoo. It'll also work well on your yacht. Simply spray cleaner onto a microfiber towel and gently wipe the surface, then wipe residue away with a second clean microfiber cloth. To keep your inside appearing fresh, repeat every 4 to 6 weeks. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Carfiident Dashboard Cleaner. Carfiident's Ultimate Car Interior Cleaner is a premium-priced, fragrance-free cleaner with a pH-balanced composition that is both safe and effective. It's simple to use, utilizing the standard wipe-on/wipe-off method, and will do a fantastic job cleaning your dash and other hard interior surfaces. This dashboard cleaner is likely to appeal to individuals with sensitive skin who require chemical-free cleaning. It is compatible with vinyl, leather, fabrics, upholstery, plastics, metals, and rubber, and thus may be used on nearly any surface in your automobile. It meets all of your car's interior cleaning requirements. It is safe to use on leather seats, fabric and cloth seats, carpets and mats, upholstery, dashboards, vinyl, and plastic. Simply spritz it on and wipe it away with the microfiber cloth included. Clean leather seats, cloth and fabric seats, carpets and mats, upholstery, dashboards, vinyl, and plastic with Ultimate Cleaner. This formula is exceptionally simple to apply, needing less wiping and even less streaking than previous formulations. Our most recognizable product will not let you down. Rugged against dirt but gentle on your paint. Use it safely as a cleaning and engine degreaser to achieve a professional detailed appearance. Use it to easily remove bugs and tar, bird excrement, and any other impurities that settle on your paint. Additionally, you may use it to clean your rims and tires, as well as your exhaust tips and external trim pieces. Last in our best dashboard cleaner list is Adam's 10 Dashboard Cleaner. If you're looking for an all-in-one dashboard cleaning, you might want to consider Adam's 10 Interior Cleaner. The product guide states that it is antimicrobial, anti-static UV protection, air freshener, cleaner, and restorer. We're not sure about you, but whenever we hear about a product that purports to be all things to all people, the term jack of all trades, master of none quickly comes to mind. Of course, we could be mistaken, but we simply do not have the same level of confidence in this product as its manufacturers do. It will, however, clean your dashboard without leaving streaks, and you'll find it beneficial for cleaning all other non-glass hard surfaces in your car's interior on a daily basis. However, as with some of the other multi-purpose cleaners we've evaluated, it's not particularly effective at removing difficult stains. For details, let's watch more.